Okay, as you see, this is another quiz I post in Quizy for chapter 5 circle. Okay, this quiz is focused on circumference of circle, and here you see the number of player is 25, but the exactly number of player is less than 25 because this 25 is include the number of repeat. Okay, this number of player of 25 here is include the number of repeat. So that means the actual values of number of player is less than 25. So I hope for those haven't tried out the quiz, please go to try the quiz by using the link I post later. Okay, just now I mentioned already, this quiz is about circumference. So we do some review about the formula to find the circumference. We have two formula to find the values of circumference. So we can use pi d or we can use 2 pi r. Okay, d stands for diameter, r stands for radius. So we're using pi d when the questions give you the values of d. Okay, we're using 2 pi r when the questions give you the values of radius. Okay, so I will choose some questions from the total 10 questions. So as you see, this is a report I get from Quizy, and you can see very obviously number 5, number 6, number 8, and number 10 is the question most of you get wrong. So I want to go through the questions 5, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so if I got times, maybe I will do another video for another questions. But for now, I want you to try out the others questions by using the link I post later. Okay, so now we go to questions number 5 and number 6. Okay, as you see, questions number 5 is ask you to find the circumference for a circle with a radius of 12.5 millimeter. So this is radius given. So I'm using the formula 2 pi r. And you see, I'm using pi 3.14. That is because the question not mentioned about the values of pi I should use. And when I check the option, I find out all the option given is decimal, and the decimal places is less than 2. So I'm using 3.14. I think this is suitable for me to use as the values of pi. You can choose any values of pi, okay, because the question not mentioned about the values of pi you should use. Okay, so I'm using a calculator. I get the values of circumference is C 78.5. Okay, for question number 6 also same. Okay, the diameter is given. In this question, the diameter is given that is 14 centimeter. What is the circumference of the bowl? So that means you need to find the circumference by using the formula pi d. Also same, I choose to use the pi as 3.14. Okay, because the question not mentioned about the values of pi I should use. Okay, so I can choose any values of pi I think is suitable. So using calculator, I get the values of circumference is 43.98. Okay, this is questions number 5 and 6. Okay, now we go to questions number 8 and 10. Okay, questions number 8. This is a little bit different because the question asks you to give the circumference in terms of pi. So that means in this question, you must consider the pi as a term of as a algebra terms. You should consider the pi, okay, as a algebra terms. So here the diameter is given 15 centimeters. So I'm using the formula pi d. Okay, so 15 times pi, I get 15 pi. So that's why the number 8 answer is A. Circumference equal to 15 pi. Okay, so now we go to questions number 10. Okay, if the circumference is 15.272 meters, what is the values of radius? So this question is asking for values of radius. So that means I'm using C equal to 2 pi r. Okay, I'm using the circumference equal to 2 pi r. Okay, and the question asks you to using the pi equal to 3.142. Okay, so we must follow the questions. So I'm using the pi as 3.142. Okay, and the formula I'm using is 2 pi r. Okay, for these questions, you can multiply 2 with 3.142 first. Okay, you can doing the multiply here first, and then you moving to another side, you get 50.272 divided by the multiply of 2 times 3.142 here. Okay, so I calculate by using my calculator and get the answer is A, 8 meters. So again, I want to remind you the formula of circumference got two. One is pi d, one is 2 pi r. So I hope you will try out the quiz again and mastering the concept. So that's all for this video.